Hello mga loves! Welcome back to my vlog! Alright, so for today's video guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-save ng money using your Gcash application. Okay, so may mga taong tatanong guys kung safe ba or kung okay lang bang mag-save ng pera or money using Gcash application. So since I tried already and it is good guys. So now ituturo ko sa inyo ang mga steps kung paano mag-save ng money using this application. So without further delay, let's get started.
These skies have a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you.
Alright, so before we proceed to the steps guys, let's talk about first the difference between Gcash and GSave. Okay, so first, ano ba ang Gcash guys? Gcash is a money service. So, yung mobile phone mo magta-turn or magta-transform into virtual wallet. So, magiging convenient at easy na yung pagbabayad nyo, pagsisend ng money, and pag-receive ng money guys. So very convenient. And what is GSave guys? GSave is a bank account which is built by Gcash and CIMB Bank. CIMB stands for Commerce International Merchant Bank. So it is originated in Malaysia guys. So it is all about digital banking. And now I will teach you how to save money in GSave using Gcash application.
And now as you can see guys, I have two applications, the Gcash and also the CIMB Bank PH. So since I will teach you how to use GSave, so let's proceed to Gcash. Ayan, and just enter your MPIN. Here we are. So as you can see, there are some features like cash in, send money, save money, buy load, Gcash Forest, and also here guys, pwede rin kayo mag-invest ng money. And also here, there are some features like fund management, lifestyle and shopping, bills and payment. Yan. So now we will proceed to save money guys. So remember, I have 278.45 pesos. So let's click save money. Here there is withdraw and also deposit guys. Okay, so just remember 2255.36. Click deposit, and here is CIMB Bank guys, and enter the amount that you want to deposit. For example, I will deposit 100 pesos. Just click done and click next. Alright, so after that, just confirm. And here we are. So GSave deposit success. So it means successful yung pag-deposit mo ng money. So just click done. And as you can see, from 2078.45, nagiging 178.45 siya guys. So click natin yung save money again. Ayan, so from 2,255.36, nagiging 2,300 na siya guys. Alright, so ang nakakaganda dito guys, so mayroong 3.10% annual rate siya, or interest rate. So maganda talaga siya guys. Alright, so guys, very important information. So, kung gusto mo mag-GSave guys, so kailangan fully verified yung account mo sa Gcash. Yan, so how to be fully verified? So you need to apply, like you need to send your ID identification guys. Ayan po, and that's all for today. Thank you, and I hope that you have learned from me, and I will see you on my next video guys. So please Don't forget to subscribe to be updated to my next video.